If you're dealing with a mouse problem in your home, you're not alone. Mice are one of the most common pests, and getting rid of them can be a real challenge, especially if you want to do it naturally and permanently. But don't worry, in today's video, we'll be covering 7 highly effective ways to get rid of mice once and for all, using safe, natural methods that are eco-friendly and non-toxic. Whether you've just seen a mouse dart across your kitchen or you're dealing with a full-on infestation, these tips will help you reclaim your home without using harmful chemicals or poisons. Seal up entry points. The first and arguably most important step to getting rid of mice is to seal up their entry points. Mice can squeeze through tiny gaps as small as 1/4 of an inch, so you need to be thorough in blocking off their access to your home. This includes gaps around doors, windows, vents, and even cracks in your foundation. Start by inspecting the exterior of your home for any small openings. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Use peppermint oil. Did you know that peppermint oil is a natural repellent for mice? Mice have an incredibly strong sense of smell, and they hate the scent of peppermint oil. To use this method, all you need to do is soak a few cotton balls in peppermint oil and place them near the areas where you've seen mouse activity, like kitchen cabinets, under sinks, and around baseboards. Set up humane mouse traps. If you're dealing with a mouse infestation and want to get rid of them without harming them, humane mouse traps are a great option. These traps allow you to catch mice alive so that you can release them far away from your home, ensuring they don't return. There are a variety of humane traps on the market, from simple catch-and-release traps to more sophisticated options that can catch multiple mice at once. Keep your home clean and clutter-free. Mice are attracted to cluttered spaces where they can hide and build nests, as well as areas with easy access to food. One of the best ways to prevent mice from making themselves at home is to keep your living space clean and clutter-free. Use ultrasonic mouse repellents. One of the most modern and hassle-free ways to keep mice out of your home is by using ultrasonic mouse repellents. These electronic devices emit high-frequency sound waves that are unpleasant for mice but completely safe for humans and pets. The sound waves disrupt the mice's communication and navigation, making your home an unattractive place for them to stay. Try natural predators. One of the most natural ways to control a mouse population is by introducing their natural predators. If you're a pet owner, having a cat can be an effective way to deter mice from entering your home. Cats are natural hunters, and their presence alone is often enough to scare mice away. Use natural mouse repellents. If you prefer to keep things completely natural, there are a variety of herbs and essential oils that can help repel mice from your home. Along with peppermint oil, which we mentioned earlier, other scents like eucalyptus, citronella, and cloves are also highly effective at keeping mice away. To make a DIY repellent, you can mix a few drops of essential oil with water and spray it around areas where mice are commonly found. And there you have it, 7 natural and effective ways to permanently eliminate mice. By sealing up entry points, using natural repellents, setting humane traps, and keeping your home clean and clutter-free, you can say goodbye to mice without using harsh chemicals or poisons. If you found this video helpful, you can just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let us know in the comments which method you will try, or if you have any other natural remedies that have worked for you.